UTME 2025 has come again, and we all know that there are necessary steps that one need to take as a candidate to get him or herself registered for JAMB, the UTME for 2025. And profile code is a very important step that need to be taken. In fact, it's the first thing that need to be done. So in this video, I want to walk you through, for those that are new to this or has forgotten, maybe you have written JAMB before but you have forgotten how to generate profile code. Just want to walk you through the simplest steps on it, and watch this till the end, because I'm going to share with you actionable tips. What do I mean by actionable tips? I'm just going to give you some tips, some advice on what needs to be done, yes, concerning this JAMB profile code. So the thing that I would like you to know is this. I'm going to show you how you can able to generate profile code if you haven't, and if you have ever generated profile code. Let's say you have written JAMB before, you once wrote JAMB, and when you wrote JAMB once, you will have a profile code maybe in the last 2 years. So I also show you how you can find that profile code. Instead of generating another, you can just find it. I will show you how you can do that. Either you follow the first step or the second, that is if you have written JAMB before. So now quickly, when you come to your messenger, there are 2 numbers that is being used for that. The first number is 66019. This is a number that we are going to send message for to generate profile code, or 55019. Any of these 2 numbers, you can use one among the 2, but the commonly used one is the second one, which is 55019. The first or the second can still go. So now, either use the first one or second one. So let's just go with the first one. Send to this number. Now when you do that, come to your text and make sure you capitalize your text, and then put in NIN and then space, and then you now put in your NIN. You know your NIN number, right? So I already have mine. I just want to walk you through this step. I don't already have mine, so I'm just going to give an imaginary NIN, which we know is in 11 digits. So let's do this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Once you have something like this, then you send it. But mind you, before sending this, make sure you use your this is one of the advice. Now as I'm sharing or showing you this, I'll be giving you some advice or a kind of tip on important matter. So when you are doing that, make sure you are using your own SIM card. Make sure it is your own SIM you are using. Don't use someone's SIM, because it can cause a kind of trouble sometimes. So I can say, because when you want to make another inquiry, and let's say the SIM card is, you borrow someone's SIM card or use someone's SIM card, it could be your closest person, and the time that you want, let's say JAMB result is out, and you want to search for, you want to just you can set, you can see your result through the SMS even without going to CBT center, and the SIM card is not there. It's the same SIM card you are going to use, and the person is not around. Maybe the person traveled, so you must have to wait for the person or find any means to get that. So please, it's advisable to use your own SIM card and your own NIN. Use yours, and then you send it. When you send it, you are going to be charged 15 naira. Yes, you'll be charged 15 naira. Make sure you have 15 naira in your balance, not bonus but the main airtime. Another advice is this old tip. You see, because of technical issues or high traffic in the networking, there is kind of bridges, or let's say you will find it, some will not find it easy, some will not get it easily. Yes, you may not get the profile code easily, but this is one trick that some have tried and has worked, really working for them. In case you try to generate this profile code in the daytime and it did not work, try in the night, early hour of the night, from 3 to 5, or any moment of the night that you know that by that time people are already sleeping. You know, the weight of the network or the system is going to be low, but during the daytime people are more sending this, sending that, you know, so there may be some breach, some delay like that. So in case you try that and you did not get it, I am advising that you you do this thing, you do that in the night. Hope you are following. You do that in the night. Now when you send this, just be rest assured that you will receive it. In case you try it and the number of time you try it, you'll be charged. Yes, they will charge you. You try it first time, you didn't get it, they'll charge you 15 naira. You try the second time, they'll still charge you 15 naira until you get that code. So you try in the daytime, it did not work, try later in the night where our place is calm. Hope you are following. Now if you have registered JAMB already, this is a second method. Just go to your Google Chrome. When you go to your Chrome, then you type for JAMB portal. Type for JAMB portal and then click on it, and then you log in into your portal. Are you following? When you log in into your portal, you are going to see that, yes, you see, are you seeing it? Are you seeing up right here? This is a profile code of my recent JAMB that I wrote, so you can still make use of this in case you've written JAMB before, maybe in the last 2 years. Hope this helps. Thank you for watching. But before I bring to an end, if you have done this and you are in need of e-pin, you know, after profile code there will be need of pin. That is another second method that you will need to complete your UTME registration. The number WhatsApp that is appearing above, that number, please, you can chat me or chat the number on WhatsApp so that you can get your own pin, and you know that you will be charged for that. Actually, just make sure you message so that you can get your pin, you can buy your pin. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give a like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to get some informative video of value.